guys, and welcome back to a new video. So today we are heading to Maastricht, which is a city in the south of the Netherlands. It's actually like the last city before Belgium or Germany, and I'm really excited because I've never been there before. So yeah, I'm gonna show you guys the look of the day. So this sweater is from Superdry. This is from Vietnam somewhere. I think my mom bought it like a long time ago. And then these pants are, I think it's from H&M, but I'm not really sure. And then I'm wearing black socks. So yeah, this is what I'm wearing, a little travel easy outfit. We're gonna go by car, so we're just gonna sit in the car for like 2 hours, and we're doing some packing at the moment. So this is the stuff I'm bringing. So what I'm bringing is like, okay, so what we got here: my deodorant, my hat, a charger for the camera, the hair clip, and a dry shampoo from Baptiste, like the travel one. Really nice and easy, everything fits in the hat. I have my electric toothbrush. Yeah, nothing special, but I think it's cool that it comes in like this case. And then I have a little pouch of makeup, and then I have one singlet and a sweater and socks and underwear, so just in case. So that's all the stuff that I'm bringing because we're only staying for one night. And yeah, I'm really excited. Oh, now I look really blue for some reason, but yeah, I'm really excited to go. I've never been there before, so yeah. And so some of the stuff that I really like to bring when I'm traveling are these. For example, this is a like wristband that is like preventing you from getting sick. You can actually buy it at the pharmacy, and it's like pretty cool because it's kind of like the acupuncture type of thing. So this has like a small dot here that goes into your wrist, and yeah, it's pretty nice because it actually helps me from getting like sick and everything. It also helps you from not getting nauseous, and also like when you're pregnant, not getting like the morning sickness. So I bought these, and when I travel I always bring these with because I'm so like worried that I'm gonna feel sick. Another thing I like to bring is this like mint. It's like for my breath and everything. I don't know, I just really am paranoid when I'm like talking to someone and I'm like, what if I like ate garlic or something and then it smells super bad, or onion or something. Another thing is this lip gloss. I'm almost empty of this one. This is like my favorite one, but yeah, now I can't find the new one that I bought, and I'm like, of course, so I probably gotta buy a new one. And then I always bring a pen just in case. I don't know, I just like to have a pen. So that was a little bit of the stuff that I'm bringing on this trip. And yeah, I'm of course gonna film as much as possible, but I am going with my boyfriend and his family, so I don't know how much I'm able to like film. Maybe I will film and like do a voiceover or something to tell you guys a little bit about like the trip and everything. But yeah, we'll see. I'll definitely show the hotel room because then at least like we're alone again. But I don't want like the whole trip to be about like vlogging, because we're going there as like all together on like vacation. So and it's only for 24 hours. So yeah, I'm really excited. It is currently 9:45, so he should be here really soon with like his dad should be here really soon with the car and everything. And yeah, well, this is what my like the day after Christmas. Actually I was supposed to have dinner with my friends today, but yeah, well, because of this trip we had to cancel. But we're gonna have a dinner again on the 30th of December, so right before New Year. So I'm really excited about that. I'm gonna meet Elise and Alissa. They are my two best friends here in the Netherlands. And yeah, Elise just came back from Hong Kong, and Alissa I met last week because she came back from Ireland and everything, and we had sushi and it was so good at Sumo. That vlog is already out now, I hope. If not, then it's coming out soon. I don't know, when I post things, like sometimes I just like post randomly, and my twin is like, isn't this like from like before you said like me making the lights and everything? And like, yeah, it was, but like whatever. I was like, I don't know. sometimes I like say things in the vlog and then it makes it really obvious that it was before the previous video that I posted. But yeah, it doesn't matter. I'm like hustling hard to like get that video out. But now I've been talking for a long time, so let's go. Hello guys, so now we just arrived in Maastricht. So look at this beauty. It's so cute here. We just got into the center and it's quite busy in the cafe that we wanted to go to, but that's okay. So yeah, now we're heading to the hotel and it's in the middle of the center as well, so we only have to walk for like 5 minutes. And yeah, I decided to put on my hat because it's actually pretty cold here. Waiting for the bus was so cold, but yeah, we made it, and it was like €2 for like 5 people, so that was pretty affordable. So we decided to park right outside the city, and then I think everybody else did as well because the bus was so full. But yeah, now we're here at least. I mean, look at this, so cute. Yay, I got a good photo. Nice, cool. So there you see like a lot of bars and stuff, cafes. So what I'm wearing today is this hill figure scarf, just this jacket from the North Face because it's so cold here. Usually I only wear this in the winter, but it is sure winter now here. So here are some fry stores. Cute. Like we're really like in the center now, so there are a lot of shops and everything. So exciting. So that was it for today. Thank you so much for watching this vlog, and if you enjoyed it, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye guys.